Please watch this video till the end if you want to unfriend someone on Snapchat without them knowing. First, if you want to unfriend on Snapchat, then go to your Snapchat profile. Scroll down, then click on your friends list. Please find the friend you want to remove from your friends list. Then tap and hold your friend's name. Tap on the Manage Friends settings. Tap on Remove Friends. Congratulations, you have successfully unfriended on Snapchat without notifying because no notifications will be sent to your friends. Don't forget to watch my next video. If this tutorial didn't work for you, please write in the comments your problem. I will try my best to help you. And I would really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button.